Hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript Complete Course. In this video we are going to talk about setInterval and clearInterval methods. So before jumping on to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. If you want to add some animation in JavaScript, you can use the setInterval method. So in this method we can pass two types of parameters. First one will be the name of the function that we will need to create, and the second one is the millisecond or the timer that we need to pass for the as an animation timer. 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second, or if you want to stop the animation anytime you want, you can use the clearInterval function. So now let's practice this and we will check how it works. So here you can see this is the exercise file that I've created. Here I've created a div, a simple div, and passed the square ID, and inside the style sheet I've created add some style into this. I've passed 100 pixel width and height and red background, and this is the script file, and here we're going to type our remaining code. So first what we are going to do, we are going to create a setInterval and here we're going to pass the name of the function that we are going to create and separate this with a comma, and after that we are going to pass the milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds, as I mentioned before, 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. And after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to define the function. So it will be function, and the name of the function is anim. And first what I'm going to do, I'm going to print something in a console so that I will show you how this setInterval function works. So first we are going to type console, and this will be hello. And now let's save this. Let's right click, come to the inspect and come to the console. Here you can see, and as you can see, this setInterval function is going to work in every single second. It will print this hello. And now let's create a variable here. Let's show you another example. First I'm going to create a variable with the name of a equal to 0, and after that inside this function I'm going to say a is equal to a plus 10. This method will add 10 into a in every single second, and here I'm going to pass simple a, and when I save this, here you can see 10 is going to be plus on this a variable. Here you can see, so this is going to plus 10 by 10. So hope you understand until this point. This here I've created the setInterval function and passed two types of parameters. First one is the function name, and the second one is the millisecond. And now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to, so what will happen here, I'm going to target this by using its ID so that it will move in every single second. So for this I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to leave this. I'm going to pass everything in this a, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another variable with the name of target, and here I'm going to say equal to document dot get element by ID. I'm going to pass the ID of this square, which is, let me check, square. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. That's it for this. And after that I'm going to target the target variable, and here I'm going to use the style, the CSS, and because we want to add the animation by using CSS, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use, so now what I want to move this square to the right side. For this what I'm going to say, I'm going to say margin left, and after that I'm going to say a. So this will, what will happen here, this square is going to move 10 pixels to the right side, and after that I'm going to equal, plus pixel, so that this will be moved 10 pixels to the right side. That's it. Now let's save this. Let's check. As you can see, the square is moving 10 pixels in every single second. If I increase the speed, so 500 millisecond, the speed of this, the moving speed will be increased. If I use 100, you can see. So this is the uses of setInterval. And if you want to stop this, when this square reach to the 200 pixel to the right side, for this what we are going to do, we are going to create our if condition. If a is equal to 200, this means that when the a is reached, when the square is reached to the 200 pixel, that time you need to stop. I'm going to pass all of this code into else statement, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass this setInterval function into an I variable, the name of id. You can pass whatever name you want. That's it. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use and I'm going to say clearInterval, and here I'm going to pass the id, the name of this variable. Here you can see, and when I save this, here you can see when it reached to the 200 pixel to the right side, that time it is going to be stopped. Let me decrease the speed of this moving, and here you can see when it reached to the 200 pixel, the clear function will be called. See, it's not moving anymore because the square is reached to the 200 pixel. And also, if you want to move this to the by using the width, for this what we are going to do, we are going to just remove the margin left to width, and when I save this, here you can see it's moving as a width to the 200 pixel. Let me change this in speed to increase the speed. Here you can see it stops at 200 pixel. So this is the uses of the setInterval and clearInterval functions. Hope you understand it at this point. Let me remind you again. So the setInterval method will use for adding animation to JavaScript, and this function has two parameters, the name of the function and the milliseconds, and 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. And also the clearInterval is used to stop the animation anytime you want. So that's it. If you have any question, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you will get the notification of my new video when I upload it.